which you love, and wherever you give, Allah knows it. We as Muslims must leave a positive impact on society and humanity. Help people feel the emptiness in their hearts, feel the emptiness that they feel inside, and be the means to guiding them to the light of the faith of Islam. May Allah accept from us sacrifices, our sacrifices, increase us in sincerity, and allow us to walk in the footsteps of Ibrahim with hearts full of faith and limbs eager to obey. Dear believers, it is no secret that we live in difficult times. Our brothers and sisters are being oppressed in many places. We must recognize and fulfill our responsibility towards them, even